Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we will be learning how to unfriend someone on IMVU. If you're trying to clean up your IMVU friend list but not sure how to unfriend someone the right way, then in this short and clear tutorial, I'll walk you through the latest method. First of all, open the IMVU application on your smartphone and log into your account. Once logged in from the home page, go ahead and tap on your profile picture at the top right corner. From your profile page, tap on the Friends tab underneath your name, and then this will open up all of your friends list. To delete a friend from your friend list or to unfriend them, tap on their profile picture. This will open up their profile. Now you will see a little friend tab underneath their profile image. Tap on that, and then to unfriend the person, click on Unfriend. Soon after you do that, the person will be removed from your friend list. They won't be able to get a notification that they were unfriended, and that's it. You've successfully unfriended someone on IMVU. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tutorials. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.